This time I'll open a gift from my beautiful daughter. My favorite daughter. Masasurprise ba ako, te?
Ewan ko.
Paano mag-surprise? Ganon?
Wala pa yung birthday mo. Excited ka naman.
Ala, wait. Ala ba, sira yung kuko ko?
Hindi.
Ah.
Mabigat ba?
Not really. Ala, papahirapan ba ako nito? Ala yung kuko ko. Ala, what is this? Full of surprises, te. I'm excited.
So, may hindi pala yun. No?
Ala.
I'm not so sure.
Are you sure about it?
No. Let's see.
Excited ako. Maski masira na yung kuko ko. Birthday gift ng baby girl to sa akin. And I do not know what this is. Oh my God. Pahirapan siya. Bubble. Oh my God, this is it. This is it. Ano to? What's this? Oh, kasi wala akong ganito. Thank you, baby ko. Wala, gosh. Ito ang wala sa akin. Simple ko lang na gusto. Pero, ito, parati kong kasama everyday. Aside sa cellphone ko, ito yung kasama ko. Ang aking tubigan. Oh. You got it right. It's my favorite color. Oh. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you, Nakit. Thanks, dear. Love lots. I don't know how.